Alright, I want to make a video on some earthquake predictions that I wrote down here. It's not like I have a crystal ball here, but I'm subscribed to a lot of channels that have a lot of information. And one of these guys from Spain, he made a video on a very cool channel, Mundo Desconocido. It's got all these paranormal things, but he said that basically, I don't know how he found out that every time there's the moon is closest to the earth, it triggers earthquakes. And also when it's furthest from the earth. So I guess there's some kind of magnetic force or field or something that triggers the earthquakes when the moon is either too close or too far away from the earth. And that's what he found out. He saw data, and this data said that it's 100% accurate, almost like um, within 10 days of the moon being the closest point or the farthest, an earthquake, a severe earthquake happens. And so I just want to give you the dates if you want to write them down. But he said there's a 30% chance on February 10, coming up in 2017. Or, yeah, February 10, 2017. So look out. Well, the thing is, you can't predict exactly where on Earth. But I would estimate wherever there's always earthquakes and the major fault lines around the world is probably where it will happen. But that one's 30%, so that's not a big deal. 60% on June 10. So remember that. June 10, summer, 60%. The highest one, it's September 1st, 90% chance. I don't know how he came to these conclusions, but that's what he said. And he's got like all this data on his channel if you want to check it out. Mundo Desconocido. 90% on September 1st, okay? So that one's going to be big. And another 60% on December 15, 2017. So 60% is, yeah, 50-50, more than 50-50 chance. So that's not bad. So just to, as a recap here, 30% chance February 10, 60% chance June 10, 90% chance the 1st of September, and 60% chance the 15th of December. This is all 2017 coming up. He's got like 2 rows of data with dates and when the moon gets close and furthest from the earth. So this there was a big earthquake in New Zealand, and they saw some strange lights, which is very weird. Some cows were found in a weird little island. Like everything collapsed around the cows, and there was like 3 cows, like in an island, sort of like it became an island after everything around them collapsed, which is weird. But there's a lot of video where you can see the lights, and I heard about this where whenever there's a big earthquake, for some reason there's lights in the sky, and it's very colorful, different colors, which is kind of weird. They can't explain it. They don't know why. And so there's a lot of mysteries we don't know. That's why I like to talk about mysteries and paranormal stuff, not just politics, which are getting on my nerves. I just made a video on protecting yourself, which just also ordered some more knives because sometimes I'm too lazy to carry a certain knife because it's too big or too, I don't know, I just don't like it. And so I'm getting the knives that I would carry actually. If something does happen, I don't want to be, without anything. But I usually don't go to places where something bad could happen, but you never know. And also, you got to be careful with the cops because they're going to get really violent after these protests. So, yeah, just remember those dates, earthquakes coming up. Be safe, take care, and prepare Very important to have lots of water and food and things to keep yourself warm. To refrigerate your food, come up with ideas, solar, and also what else can you do? Tell others, you know. Don't tell on your immediate surroundings because they're just gonna jump you if it gets really bad. But tell your loved ones to do the same as you. Unfortunately, nobody listens until it's too late. I have plenty of stuff to keep the house clean and yourself clean because that's very important hygiene. All right, people, take care. I'll see you. Bye bye.